So let's quickly assign a texture to our curtains. So while curtains are selected, create a new material, rename them curtains, and let's get a color ramp, and not alpha, base color, and I want this color. Let's get this color, something like this, and let's copy it, Control C, Control V, and make it a little brownish. And I want these boxes, so for this we will use our mix color again, and we will use this time a new texture. It is exactly called a checker texture. So if we write checker, we get checker texture. So basically this is what this is giving us. Let's first add our mapping and coordinates and remove this image texture because there is no image here, and make this, let's make it generated, let's make it object. And now this is basically giving us a checkered texture, like if you want to create a chess piece, black and white, or you can change colors from here too, but these are given to us by default, and we just need to increase our scale. Let's scale it to 200, and let's visualize our principal BSDF. Control Shift T is the shortcut, and put this mix color to multiply. We will get something like this, and I think I am happy with it. So let's switch to generated again. Let's remove this black one, just get a single one. So this one is our, I think it's 2. Let's make it a little lighter. So yeah, now it's okay. Save it, and while we're at it, let's color this lamp. And where is it? Select this upper part, whatever this lid is, and give it our black color. This one too. Oh, okay, no, sorry, this one black. And for this one, let's create a new one and give it silver 2, and reduce the roughness like something to 0.05, oh sorry, 0.00005. So, and choose our, where is it, so yeah, choose this color. So we have something, and let's select everything. Okay, where is it? Okay, it's over here. So we did not assign a new collection. So assign a new collection, name lamp 2, and move everything over there. You need to open this and select everything so that we don't miss anything, because if I try to just copy this empty by selecting this, and while everything is closed, it will only copy this empty, which I do not want. So I want everything along with this empty copied. Shift T, G, Y, and 0. Let's see from the camera view, and it's already aligned. So okay, that is done. So while we are at it, quickly let's texture this chair too. Where is this chair? I think it is here. Yo. So let's move it into another collection. Chair 2 collection, create, and now select this rod and come to materials tab, give it that black material. Where is it? Where is our chair? Yeah. And for this part, we give it, I think this is the one, chair 1. This will assign our chair material to it. And for this one also, this back part, make it black, and this one, this is wooden. I don't think so I created anything wood texture. Let's create a new one. I'm not sure how that one will look. So for this, get a wave texture, Control T, generated, and let's get these line on y-axis like this and distort them just like something like this, and then add a color ramp, not mix color, Shift A, color ramp, yes, color ramp, and then just copy this color, Control C and Control V, and make this one a little whiter and this one a little brownish. Let's make it brownish. Okay, something like this. And we have our, this looks weird. Why? Yeah, I think it looks okay now. Yeah, I think it's too bright too. Yeah, something like this. So I think wood tends to be shiny if it is painted, so let's assume this is shiny too. So yeah, I think I'm done with it. So let's copy everything. This is the part, and Shift E, G and Y, something like this. So I think we are done. Let's, while we are at it, let's give this table our, do we have a table? No. Let's give this a table material, whitish of sorts. Let's select this and let's try to get this and reduce the roughness. Okay, no, not metallic, sorry, just whitish. I think whitish color would be nice, so whitish bluish type. Yes, I think it looks okay. And now I think, yeah, I think we're done here. We will cover UV unwrapping in the next video. This one we will UV unwrap it, and this one we will take a look at separately, and these ones too. So yeah, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching.